A lot of people, some great, some not so great, have said the only way for you to do great work is to love what you do. I'm sure you've heard that before. It's actually kind of complete garbage. You can be tremendously successful and not love what you do. The difference is you can love doing it. You can love your process. You can love the work. But the work can still be hard. The work can still be challenging. The work can still be frustrating. Far too often we're told you gotta love what you do to be successful. You gotta love what you do to achieve greatness in this world. Well, if that was the case, everybody would literally eat, drive Ferraris, and date supermodels, because that's all they love to do. Figure out how you can love your process. I don't like making follow-up calls, but I like the results that they achieve, right? I don't like selling software to the sewage recycling industry. Well, you can love the result, and you can love the process, and you can love how you help cities get cleaner, whatever it is. Stop trying to love your job so much and start thinking about how you can be a professional and love the process. When you fall in love with the process, when you fall in love with the work, when you fall in love with the results, more of results come. And then you'll really love your life. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.